Hello, friends. Running Kimono. It is Tuesday, the 7th of February, and we have like a bunch of rebates and a booster stacking, and we have a bit of magic to make this a $12 moneymaker. And if you do not have the 7 back when you spend 25, it's still a $5 moneymaker, so nothing to sneeze at. And it's with these NIVEA shaving creams. I said it a couple weeks ago that Walgreens really is Walgreens from like 2018-19. Like some of these deals are on fire. And this deal included, like, I'm very impressed with the last couple weeks and how we can stack things. So this deal is super. Now, I also want to mention that if you check your email, if you got this one, it says please come back. $5 reward when you spend $1. The end date to that is March the 18th. It's of a one-time use. If you buy an item for $1, pay with your debit card or like a dollar bill, you'll get back $5 with this booster. It's a very unique one. If you've made your account and it's been dormant for a while, or if you have like your mother's account that you sometimes use like once in a blue moon, you might want to check for this email or see if you might have this booster. Again, simply you'd go buy something for $1 and get $5 back. So pretty easy math equation right there. Okay, so let's dive right into this deal. It is these specific NIVEA men's shaving cream, the 7-ouncer, which is a little bit smaller. This week they are $3.14 each, the smaller one. So that's what we're looking for, and this store had a whole lot of them. So a lot of stores not even tagged. So we don't get a lot of like deals for free or very cheap shaving cream. So I'm going to say, guys, just go for this one. You have nothing to lose. So I'm going to show you the tag here because I know a lot of people are like, I need to see the tag. But when you buy 2 of this specific product, you're going to get back $5 of Walgreens cash. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can roll Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it because the word buy is there. I know it's one of those subtle little Walgreens things, but just to let you know, that's how it is. And yes, you can buy more than 2 per transaction. So if I was going to buy 4, I will get back $10 in Walgreens cash. Now, this is where it gets really spectacular. IBOTTA has, I believe, up to $5 back when you buy these single cans of the NIVEA men's shaving cream. And as you know, if you buy a bunch, you'll get $5 back, which is really generous. Double, triple check you have this IBOTTA rebate. And then on coupons.com, they have this progressive one of spend 20, get back 6. So even if you can only find a couple here, a couple there, you can probably find $20 if you get, put your nose to the pavement for this one. And that's like $6 back for this from the coupons.com app, which is really fantastic. And these smaller shave creams are working with this rebate. So just grabbing 2 of them at $3.14 a pop, that's $6.28. $5 back in Walgreens cash and $2 back from IBOTTA, making it free plus a 72-cent moneymaker. Remember, you have to buy them in sets of 2. And if you're doing this deal on its own, yes, you could use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.28 to get, $5 back and $2 back from IBOTTA. And I really, really hope that IBOTTA rebate resets a bunch of times for us. Wouldn't that be nice? Let's look at the deal with a booster. This came out of the machine, 7 back when you spend 25. Alternatively, if you might have a digital one or possibly you could stack both, typically these print out for me from the Catalina machine on a Wednesday. So maybe on Wednesday morning, go buy a candy bar and smile at the cashier and maybe something will print out of the Catalina machine pour vu. Looking at this deal, if you can find 8 of them in a store, that would be $25.12. Scan the booster, pay that with your debit card, and then you're getting back $27 in Walgreens cash, 7 for the booster, and then 20 as you bought 4 sets at $5 a pop of the shave cream. Then you're also going to make that submission to IBOTTA for $5 back, and then the coupons.com app, as you've hit the $20 threshold, you're going to get $6 back as well, making this free plus a $12.88 money maker. If you don't have that booster of 7 back when you spend 25, this will be like, not the worst deal. It'll be like a little $6 money maker. And remember, if you're using a booster, not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but make this deal happen to get free shaving cream. This is extreme couponing, guys. Before I skedaddle, I just want to talk about the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. This specific one, you're going to grab one of these guys for $4.99. And if you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, just to note that. We have two different rebate apps, again, stacking that include $2 back from the IBOTTA rebate app. How nice is that? And then over on coupons.com, you're getting a similar $2 back as well. So make sure you have both of those before you do the deal. Having one of the Clorox disinfectant sprays for $4.99. Pay that, roll Walgreens cash, whatever you want to do. $2 submission to IBOTTA, $2 submission to the coupons.com app. The final price point is 99 cents for this fanciness. I call this a win-win-win. And then you're in store, you're going to get that receipt. I know sometimes with curbside pickup, they hold those receipts hostage, but yeah, do it that way. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.